TV. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. I'm happy to see everybody again. I'm happy to open my Facebook again. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. This weather won't finish me. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. This very weather, it won't finish me. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. But we bless Almighty Creation that I can talk to you again. And you can see my face again. I appreciate everyone that reached out to me. Thank you very much, everyone. Those numbers that I'm unable to acknowledge, my poor Dr. Mayor TV. I'm a survivor seat that time. 50-50. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. Look at my face. I'm one of the survivors for this weather, my poor Dr. Mayor TV. Please. My advice to everybody now is that do away with anything cold. Anything cold water, cold minerals, cold something. Please, even when you are taking your bath now, don't take the risk. Please, don't take the risk. Don't say that my body is very strong and this and that. No, it's not advisable now. There is one breeze that is coming out from this weather. Please, over to all our scientists, if there is something we can do about it. Our dear government, please, in a situation like this, when our weather changed to something else, is there anything we can do about it? Please, our scientists, our experts, our philosophers, over to you. Our geologists, the people that they are into that all this perfecting field. Please, if I can, let us do more research, more than how we used to do it before, so that we can be able to save this present and the next generation. See, there's some debt that doesn't worth it. Oh, my poor Dr. Mayor TV. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. My poor Dr. Mayor TV. It doesn't worth it that me and you just lose ourselves. Does it worth it? My poor Dr. Mayor TV. We still have so much to offer ourselves. I appreciate my brother so much. Senator Abidakun. My friend, Frank. And another very important person to me, to my life. Àwọn ìyá mi àti àwọn àbúrò mi, àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, àwọn èèyàn mi. And one person that always wanted to reach out to me every blessed day. It's not my family, but the job of media has made us now a brothers. Aremo Jason, the CEO of Truth Arena, is our PRO for Upcom International. You always reach out to me, so I appreciate you so much. Thank you very much. And everyone that they are yet to reach out to me, and those missing number, especially those ones that I'm unable to acknowledge. It's not intentional, but now I'm back. We can do it better, we can do it again. And all this pending job will soon be released. So thanks everyone for believing in me, and thanks everyone for reaching out, even your spirits, people that you have been missing me. I appreciate you so much. My mother in the field of forensic, Ambassador Dr. Kireshi, that is our international PRO, my state coordinator. Thank you very much for everything. And those ones that I'm unable to mention their names to remember, I appreciate you so much. And I pray for you that you never get sick. What you love most, what you love doing, and what you love to eat. pressure you. So please let us do everything to do away with anything cold at this present time, because the weather is not friendly. Love you so much, my people. Ciao.